Good morning, Rudy Campos, Remax Gold Coast Realtors, 479-2992. Email address rudy@rudycampos.com. Today I wanted to talk about 11 things you need to know to pass your home inspection. So if you're thinking about putting your home on the market, I would say about 100% of the time buyers are going to hire a contractor to do an inspection on your home. So what are the things that people are looking for? Let me talk to you a little bit about why it's important for you to start getting your home ready and prepared to have that inspection done. Homeowners want to know your home inside out. That's a fact. Anybody buying a home nowadays, they want to make sure that everything is good inside and out. So what people want to know is the home is good on the inside as well as the outside, the exterior, as it looks. Okay, because a lot of times looks are deceiving. So here's some of the things that people are concerned about. Will the roof end up leaking? Is the wiring safe? What about the plumbing? So these are some questions that people will be asking for. And I have a free report that I can provide for you about all the things that people will be looking for and the 11 most critical things that you should be aware of. So the first one is the effective plumbing. So when was the last time that you had your plumbing checked? If you have a home in the city of Ventura, the city now requires a lateral inspection of your sewer line. That means that somebody has to come over, actually put a camera in the sewer line, inspect it to make sure that there's no problems there. The next question people will wonder about, is there any mold? Is there any dampness in any wall or any ceiling? Mold, as you know, has become a big issue in the last few years, and it's cost people lots of money in lawsuits as well as in repairs. So that's one of the things that you want to look at. Another one is inadequate wiring and the electrical. So are there exposed wires in your attic? And that's very common. So these are some of the things to look for. Another one would be poor heating and cooling systems. So if you have a heater, a wall heater, when was the last time it was serviced? The easiest thing to do is to check your heating units would be to call the gas company. They'll come out for free and inspect the unit, whether it's a wall unit or a forced air, and check it out for you and give you a report. The next thing would be roofing problems. Again, roofs tend to last either 10 years, 20 years, or 30 years, depending on what was the guarantee that was given to you when you had your roof put on. So check your roof. Check the ridges, check everything that you can. If you don't know what to look for, then hire someone to do that for you. And a roof inspection may cost you anywhere between $100 to $150, and sometimes they'll do it for free. So call a company to check your roof. The next item to look for is, again, attic spaces. They look for termites, they look for dampness. Is there enough ventilation in your attic? That's another thing to look for. Rotting wood. Do you have dry rot? Do you have areas of your fascia boards that are rotting? Posts that are touching the ground or the earth? These are some of the things to look for also. Masonry work. So some of the things that people will look for in your masonry are the walls still solid? Are they cracked? Are there any spaces anywhere? Some of the things that you want to look for also, if you have a fireplace, is your fireplace safe? Are the bricks still solid? Is everything protected and covered as it should be? Some of the other things to look for is unsafe or overused or overfused electrical circuit. So some of the things that I find when I look at homes also, people sometimes use electrical cords to connect lighting, to connect other electrical items. Which some of those things could be unsafe and could cause a fire, a short, etc. So these are some of the other things to look for. And then adequate security features. Is your home safe? Do you have a swimming pool? Do you have a fence around it, to protect children from falling in? So these are some of the other issues I want to be aware of. And then structural and foundation problems. It's very common that foundations have cracks. If you lift up the flooring underneath, you'll find that many times you'll see hairline fractures on the foundation. The question is, how large is the crack? How far does it extend? So these are some of the things to look for. So these are some of the 11 things you might be aware of if you're planning to sell your home. If you'd like to get a copy of this free report, call me at 479-2992, or you can email me, request for that report. It's rudy@rudycampos.com, and be glad to send this to you, put it in the mail for you. And have a great day. We'll talk to you again next time.